Assalamualaikum. I hope you're doing great. Welcome to the last part of the last lesson of the module number 6, in which we were studying direct and indirect speech. So, we will be continuing this part with the tense shift, that is back shifting. हम reporting speech में किस चीज़ को कैसे convert करते हैं, that is what we're going to study right now. Present sentence है that we will turn into past. इफ़ डायरेक्ट स्पीच में विल है, फिर हम इनडायरेक्ट में उसको वुड में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. कैन विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू कुड. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई कैन स्विम, इसको हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे ही सेड दैट ही कुड स्विम. कैन कुड में चेंज हो जाएगा. सो this is one of the rules of reporting speech that we should be careful about. Now, when not to change the tense, हमें कुछ ऐसी सिचुएशंस होती हैं जिसमें हमें टेंस चेंज नहीं करना होता, और वो सिचुएशंस कौन सी होती हैं? फैक्ट दैट इज़ स्टिल ट्रू. यू आर रिपोर्टिंग अ फैक्ट जो भले ही पास्ट में बताया गया हो, बट दैट फैक्ट इज़ स्टिल ट्रू, दैट इज़ स्टिल अलाइव. तो उस फैक्ट को जब आप रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में कन्वर्ट करते हो, दैट इज़ उसमें फिर हम टेंस को चेंज नहीं करेंगे. अनदर सिचुएशन इज़ द यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ. तो कोई भी ऐसा यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ होता है, फॉर एग्जांपल द सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट, और इसको मैं टर्न कर रही हूँ इनटू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच एंड आई एम सेइंग ही सेड दैट द सन राइजेस इन दिस ईस्ट. तो मैंने बिल्कुल कॉपी पेस्ट करके सेम चीज़ बोली है एंड आई एम नॉट चेंजिंग द टेंस. वाई? बिकॉज इट्स अ यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ. ये चेंज नहीं होने वाला. ओके. Now here there are reporting questions as well. जैसे कुछ ऐसे questions होते हैं जिनका जवाब हम yes और no में दे सकते हैं. तो वो questions, for example, are you ready? This is a question which we can answer in yes or no. तो इसको अगर हम reporting speech में turn कर रहे हैं, that would be he asked if I was ready. अब इसमें you turned into I, are turned into was, इफ़ मैंने ऐड किया है बिकॉज ये येस और नो वाला क्वेश्चन है. रेडी रेडी वर्ब सेम आएगा. ही हमने ऐड किया है टू स्पेसिफाई द जेंडर, टू स्पेसिफाई द सब्जेक्ट. सेकेंड इज वर्क क्वेश्चंस, WH. इसमें फिर वाई, व्हाट, व्हेन, वेयर, ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आ जाते हैं. सो क्वेश्चन इज वेयर आर यू गोइंग. When I'm reporting this question, I will say he asked where I was going. Going verb same आएगा. You will be turned into I. Are will be turned into was. Where same आएगा. And again I added a verb with the subject. Now subject पे depend करता है who the person is. Okay, now moving towards the reporting commands, we have to use told or asked plus to with the verb. For example, if someone is saying close the door and you have to repeat this statement to somebody else, you would say he told me to close the door. He subject आ गया. Told, यहाँ से हमने told लिया. Me because you're talking about yourself. With the to and फिर verb आ जाएगा and then the object. Same goes with this sentence, please help me. तो इसमें हमने क्या बोला है? She asked me to help her. She because it's a girl that we are talking about and she has, हम help के लिए हमेशा पूछते हैं. So the relevant word would be asked, and because उसने आपसे पूछा है तो you will be mentioning yourself. She asked me to, according to the structure यहाँ पे आ गया. help verb same रहेगा and यहाँ पे me turned into her because it's a girl that we are talking about and the girl here has mentioned herself. तो herself में हम फिर यहाँ पे उसको her mention करेंगे, me नहीं लिखेंगे. So these were the reporting commands. Now there are negative commands as well, and in those negative reporting commands we have to add not to. कैसे? Example, do not touch this. Whenever a person is saying do not touch this और इसको आपको repeat करना है, report करना है, what will you say? He told me not to touch that. He because it's a boy that we are talking about. Told me, asked me, you can either choose both. Not to, अब यहाँ पे don't को हमने not to में change कर लिया. touch same रहेगा. This will be turned into that. So this is how we construct an indirect speech sentence from the direct one. Moving towards the practice drill number 1, you have to convert these 3 sentences into indirect speeches. ये 3 sentences direct speeches में है. First is, she said I am learning English. He said I will call you. They said we are busy today. So ये तीनों जो है वो direct speeches हैं, and I want you to convert these 3 sentences to indirect speeches. Sorry. Yes. Now let's move towards the practice drill number 2, which is questions. Change into indirect. First is, do you like coffee? Second is, where do you live? Now, let me give you a hint. आपको थोड़ा सा याद आ जाए. First sentence, जो first question है, if you look at this question, this is a yes or no question. तो इसको आप उस हिसाब से change करेंगे. Second is, where do you live? This is a work question. इसमें where, when, why, what आएगा. तो इसको आप उसके हिसाब से चेंज करेंगे. So इन दोनों sentences का आप difference देखिएगा and then change them into indirect ones. Homework for you is, I have given you 3 short small tasks for you to practice. First is, you have to convert 10 sentences into indirect speech. कोई भी 10 sentences you can pick up from any AI, and you can ask AI to give you a list of 10 questions of direct speech, and do not tell the answers. Once you write down the answers, once you convert those sentences into indirect speech, and then you can get those sentences checked from AI as well. Second is, write a short paragraph reporting a conversation. Now, the conversation can be anything from your family, from your friends, or anything that is happening on TV, anything. You just have to write a short paragraph reporting a conversation, or even you can make up a conversation. Number 3 is, watch an interview and report 3 sentences. You can watch any kind of interview on the internet, on TV, and you have to report 3 sentences out of that interview. Congratulations, you have now completed module number 6, and I truly believe that this was one of the most powerful and actually the practical parts of English grammar that we have learned. We learned how to use passive voice effectively. You learned how to distinguish between been and being. हमने conditional पढ़े, हमने past reflections express करना सीखा, that too with advanced conditionals. We just learned report speech accurately. So these kind of things are very much important in your English language, because ये थोड़ी सी मेजर चीज़ें हैं जो आपकी लैंग्वेज को बिल्कुल इन्हांस कर लेती है, and that help you to that help you to speak more of an advanced English. So I hope that this module was really helpful for you. Thank you very much. And lastly, I would just like to say that language truly is a skill that you improve with time and with use specifically. I genuinely believe जितनी आप ज़्यादा practice करोगे, be it speaking, writing, listening, and reading as well, the more natural you become with this practice. So I would say keep experimenting, keep making mistakes, because उन mistakes को आप फिर identify करते हो, आप फिर उन mistakes को avoid करके आप अपनी language को ज़्यादा better बनाते हो. I will see you in the next module, in which we are going to study a lot of more informative content, and that I'm sure will help you a lot more than this module. So keep watching. Till then, take care. Bye.